Let's cross then to Berlin. We're going to speak to correspondent Emmanuelle Chaze, who joins us from there. So, Emmanuelle, just tell us, first of all, who is affected by this new call for a new vaccine?
Well, Stuart, you've stated there are fears here in Germany that people with a weaker immune system and elderly people might suffer from the fourth wave of infections later this year. And that's why the federal government, along with the 16 regional health ministers, has decided to offer a booster shot of the vaccine. This will be the RNA messenger vaccine, so the BioNTech Pfizer vaccine or the Moderna vaccine that will be given regardless on what previous vaccine people concerned had in the past. So the reason is that the BioNTech Pfizer and the Moderna vaccine are considered a bit more reliable to fight the Delta variant of the Covid-19, and also because those particular two vaccines have been extensively bought by Germany, so there will be enough supplies for everyone. You also mentioned the vaccination of the youngest, and children here in Germany could get a vaccine on a voluntary basis with parental consent and with medical advice, but so far only 10% of kids aged between 12 and 17 have gotten the jab, and the government wants to boost this vaccination as well.
Emmanuelle, here in France, we've had a very strong debate on the need or not for a sanitary pass, also the possibility of an obligatory vaccination. Where does Germany stand on those issues?
Well, it's a bit different here when it comes to a sanitary pass. Well, de facto, since we came out of lockdown, for example, when you want to socialize, when you want to go to the restaurant, to go to the fitness club, well, you do have to show a proof of recovery from COVID-19 or a proof of a negative antigen test or the proof of vaccination. So this has been existing for months now. It hasn't suscitated the anger, the controversy it has in France. But when it comes to a mandatory vaccination, this is something that is also subjected to debate here. This is not coming anytime soon. The government has assured that this was on the plan. Also, you have to remember that here in Germany, there's only one mandatory vaccine for children, and that is measles, and that's only for children who will attend kindergarten. There's a long history here in Germany of not imposing anything on people's health. So instead, Angela Merkel had said that she preferred dialogue. She preferred that people who got vaccinated tell their relatives about the benefit of vaccination. And there's also a lot of vaccination campaigns that have been launched, for example, mobile vaccination or getting vaccinated at your workplace. And this is how the government tries to incite more people to get vaccinated. I just reminded that half of the population, 52% of the German population, is fully vaccinated as we speak.
Emmanuelle, thanks very much. Emmanuelle Chaze joining us there from Berlin.